Hey everybody, how are you guys doing today? I hope everybody's well. All right guys, so we do have some different variations. I believe there's like 5 or 6 to the August BoxyCharm box. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the new stuff that we haven't seen in the boxes yet, and then I'll show you all the different variations. So first we see this variation, which is with the Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Liner. Then next we have a variation with the Lashaholics Lashes. Then next we have a variation with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Conditioner. And then last is the Haru, I believe that's how you say that, Wonder Key Berry Antioxidant Mask. And of course, this is going to come with 2 masks in it. So here are the different variation boxes. Now we see that there are 5 or 6 different ones, and I'm pretty sure there will be a lot more coming out. And if there is, I will update you guys, and I will also link any other spoilers that I have or anything down below. Now I do have some BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe spoilers for September, which I will also link below. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked down there if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.